Welcome to today's episode. ముందుగా తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare one of the famous Punjabi recipe, Hariyali Chicken Masala. It's a very easy and simple recipe. Come on, let's start the process. The required ingredients are half kg chicken, black peppercorns, ginger, lemon, garlic, green chilies, coriander leaves, mint leaves, curd, fried onions, cashew nuts and almonds, cumin seeds, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon stick. Bay leaf. For the first marination, take chicken in a bowl, add turmeric powder, add salt, add lemon juice, combine everything, keep this first marination aside for 30 minutes. Now take a blender, add cashew nuts and almonds, now add green chilies, add fried onions, add ginger and garlic, add cumin seeds, add black peppercorns, make into a coarse powder. Now add coriander leaves, now add mint leaves and grind it into a smooth paste. This is the green masala paste which we use for second marination. For second marination, add curd, add green masala. Now combine everything. This is the second marination for the chicken. We need to keep aside for 1 hour. Take a frying pan, add required amount of oil, Once oil get heated, add cinnamon sticks, cloves and cardamom. Add bay leaf. Now add only chicken pieces into the hot oil. Fry these chicken pieces in oil. Once chicken get fried on one side, turn it to other side. Now add the remaining part of the marinated masala into the pan. Now combine everything. Now add required amount of salt. Now add garam masala. Now combine everything. Now add some water. Mix everything. Now cover with lid. Cook it for 5 minutes. And it's done. Now we can switch off the flame. Guys, please try this wonderful recipe and give your valuable feedback.